A 2009 World Championship Sprint Hurdles gold medalist and Olympian Brigitte Foster Hilton and the National Olympians Association of Jamaica were in a giving mood on Tuesday. The organization made a donation of $2 million Jamaican dollars towards the repair of the St. Elizabeth Technical High School female dormitory, which was damaged by Hurricane Melissa. Foster Hilton is a past student of Steths, and the dorm was the place of home for her during her tenure at the institution.
It broke my heart because I know that this is home for a lot of the girls. This is where they call home. This is where they show up each day and go to school and just it's really a home away from home for them. And this effort will help to restore some kind of normalcy to these student athletes.
Two other Olympians, Alan Marsh and Vilma Charlton, were a part of the entourage.
Steths has such a rich history in sports. At the Olympics, of course, in track and field, football, going back to days of Noel Sweetie Smith and winning the first Costa Cup in 1974. The great cricket teams of the past, many Jamaican and West Indian cricketers coming out of Steths. So it's appropriate based upon the devastation that this institution suffered after the hurricane. It is most appropriate that we see how we can support future athletes and the students.
Principal of Steths, Keith Wellington, says that the support for the girls was timely and needed.
This year we didn't do as well as we normally do, simply because the girls lost their dorm and were not able to train as regularly or as well as they have done. So we lost Western champs for the first time in quite a while. We finished outside of the top 10 at champs, and so this contribution from the Olympians Association will ensure that we get back on track very quickly, and hopefully next year we'll return to our winning ways.